For this manicure, I'm using Holo Taco's long-lasting base. Holo Taco's Here for the Payday. Holo Taco's Oh My Gourd. Holo Taco's Resting Witch Face. Holo Taco's Everything Taco. Holo Taco's Cracked Taco Shell. And Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. We start with our base coat to ensure good adhesion to the nail bed. Then our base color, which is Here for the Payday. Next, we're going to drop Oh My Gourd, Resting Witch Face, and Here for the Payday onto a silicone mat to start our Smush Mani. We'll pick these colors up with a clear jelly stamper. I'm using one from Maniology before applying it to our nail. You can take bits of color off from other areas to add as needed to get the look that you want. After that, I'm adding the Everything Taco over the top for a bit of pizzazz. Then I apply a thin coat of the Cracked Taco Shell and let it do its magic, breaking apart to reveal the beautiful colors underneath. Finally, we'll seal our manicure in with the Super Glossy Taco, ensuring a long-lasting manicure full of shine and beauty. And voila! There you go. Enjoy your manicure.